Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about PDF files, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make a PDF smaller using just your Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make one of your PDFs smaller anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you have to send back and forth a lot of PDFs, and some of your vendors will not accept a PDF beyond a certain size. So sometimes you have to make them smaller. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's all handled in your Mac. You don't need to download any kind of programs. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've opened up my desktop right here. Now, in order to make a PDF smaller, you have to find the file. So if it's on your desktop, you can go ahead and just look for a PDF. Or if you want to go through Finder right down here, like I did, just look for the file that we're going to make smaller. So for example, this PDF right here, let's go ahead and scroll over. I'm going to show you the size. So you can see this one is 19.6 megabytes. So if we want to make this PDF smaller, it's pretty easy. You don't want to open it up. All you're going to do is just right click on it with your Mac. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Open With. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu, and you don't want to open it up with Adobe. You actually want to open it up with Preview. Okay, guys, so here is my PDF right now that we are going to make smaller. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the PDF. Once you do that, you should see this preview button here on the top left. If you don't see preview, that means you are not clicked into the file. So you have to be sure to click on the PDF. Then it should say preview. Next, in order to make this PDF smaller, you're going to click on file. And once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to go all the way down until you see export. Okay, guys, so here is where you can make your PDF smaller. So first you can go ahead and rename this file if you want. So we'll name it Making Smaller. All right. And then next you want to go ahead and disclose where you want to save it. I'll just go ahead and save it onto my desktop. Here on format, you need to make sure it says PDF like it does. And here is where you can make it smaller. There's a line right here called Quartz Filter. It says none by default, but go ahead and click on it. It's going to open up, and you want to go ahead and click on this right here, Reduce File Size. This will make your PDF smaller. Okay, once you're done, go ahead and click on Save. All right, it's processing. And as you see right here on my desktop, this new PDF smaller has been saved right there. Let me close this down. Okay, guys, so here is the file that we originally had. We got it highlighted in blue. Let me scroll over, and it was 19.6 megabytes. And here is the new file. And as you can see, the PDF is much smaller. It's only 3.3 megabytes. Now, as far as the quality, you can go ahead and open those up. I don't really see a lot of quality different. Let me open it up. Okay, so I opened up both PDFs. This is the original, and then this is the one that we made smaller. Let's close this down. So let me jump back and forth. And as you see, to my naked eye, the PDF that we made smaller with the Mac, it's basically the same. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make a PDF smaller using just your Mac, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.